This tabletop fountain blends a sleek, minimalist style with the soothing sights and sounds of flowing water. Its 3 cascading tiers create a gentle, rhythmic movement that's visually relaxing and pleasantly audible. The layered flow adds a subtle variation that makes it a calming and eye-catching centerpiece for your desk, home, or office. It's simple, elegant, and effortlessly stylish, perfect for bringing a touch of nature's tranquility into your space. It's hand-finished with premium, durable 300 for stainless steel and food-grade melamine, and the asymmetrical 3-tier design shows off the metal's natural luster. You get a soothing water sound with a noiseless water pump, and you can easily adjust the water flow. It plugs in through a USB port, and it's designed for indoor desktop use, making it a beautiful way to add a peaceful moment to any room.